In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for outfits. 2026 full guide. If you've ever stared at a packed closet and still felt stuck, this is for you. Think of ChatGPT as your pocket stylist. We'll set it up to understand your wardrobe, generate smart outfit ideas for real life situations and weather, help you define your personal aesthetic, plan a tight capsule wardrobe, and even style pieces using photos. Start by giving ChatGPT a clear picture of what you actually wear. You don't need every single item. Focus on your core pieces. Open a new chat and set the tone with a baseline prompt. For example, act as a professional fashion stylist and image consultant. I am going to list my core closet pieces, and I want you to memorize them for the rest of our chat. Here's what I have: black blazer, white leather sneakers, dark wash straight jeans, beige trench coat. List items in simple terms and include useful details like color, fabric, and fit. Keep this list in the same conversation so the assistant can reference it throughout. Once your closet is in, ask for contextual outfits that fit your plans and weather. The more specific you are, the better the results. Try. Based on the wardrobe items I provided, give me 3 distinct outfit combinations for a smart, casual business meeting. The weather is going to be slightly chilly, around 18 degrees, and I will be doing a lot of walking, so suggest appropriate footwear from my list. You can also ask it to include layering options, accessories from your list, and a quick note on why each outfit works. If you're refining your personal aesthetic, use ChatGPT to blend styles into a consistent daily look. For example, I really like the clean, minimalist, quiet luxury look, but I also want to add a bit of an edgy streetwear vibe. Give me a breakdown of the key textures, silhouettes, and color palettes I should look for to combine these two aesthetics into a cohesive daily uniform. Ask for signature elements to repeat and ways to keep everything cohesive across seasons. To build a high-efficiency capsule wardrobe, let ChatGPT plan strategically. Prompt it with, I want to build a 15-piece capsule wardrobe for the current season. Focus on versatile, neutral tones that easily mix and match. Provide a shopping checklist of the missing essential staples I should invest in, and explain how they interact with each other. Have it map outfits across work, weekends, and evenings so you see maximum mileage from minimal pieces. Finally, use visual prompts. Take a clear, well-lit photo of an item against a plain background, upload it, and say, I just bought this item, but I'm struggling to style it. Analyze the color, fabric texture, and cut of this piece, and give me 3 different outfit ideas ranging from completely casual to dressed up. Ask for fit notes and alternatives using only items you own. Using AI to curate your style removes guesswork, saves time, and helps you look put together every day. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.